4 jars of mayonnaise sitting in American refrigerators may look familiar, harmless, and even healthy, but turn them around and the ingredient labels tell a different story. Some are built around cheap oils, added starches, and ingredients designed to help the product survive months of storage and travel. Meanwhile, 3 brands take a much simpler approach. Today, we're examining all 7.
First is Sir Kensington's Classic Mayonnaise. At first glance, this looks like one of the better choices. The glass jar, simple label, and cage-free eggs create a premium image. And to be fair, the ingredient list is shorter than many major brands. But the first ingredient is sunflower oil. That does not automatically make the product unsafe. The bigger question is whether the premium image matches the price. Sunflower oil is widely used, easy to source, and common in large-scale food production. Yet Sir Kensington's can cost far more than ordinary mayonnaise. So what are you paying extra for? Part of the answer may be the packaging, the branding, and the premium story around the product. It's cleaner than many mainstream options, but the formula may not be as special as the jar makes it seem.
Next is Great Value, the large, familiar jar found on the shelves of Walmart stores across America. Unlike premium brands, Great Value makes no effort to sell you a story. There is no glass jar, no heritage image, and no suggestion that this is a gourmet product. Its main promise is simple: a large jar at a low price. And that low price helps explain the formula. When a product has to be sold cheaply and consistently across thousands of stores, every part of the recipe must work within a strict budget. According to the ingredient list, the formula relies on soybean oil, water, eggs, vinegar, salt, sugar, and calcium disodium EDTA. Each ingredient serves a purpose. Soybean oil provides an inexpensive fat base. Water helps extend the volume. Sugar can soften the overall flavor, and EDTA helps protect the product's flavor and stability over time. That last point matters because this mayonnaise may spend a long journey moving through warehouses, distribution centers, trucks, and store shelves before it ever reaches your refrigerator. The product has to remain consistent through that entire process. The result is a mayonnaise designed first for affordability and large-scale distribution. That does not mean it is unsafe or illegal. It meets the standards required for sale. But compared with a simpler formula, it contains ingredients that are there partly to support a long supply chain. For shoppers on a tight budget, Great Value may still make sense. But if your priority is a shorter ingredient list and a less processed formula, this is where the trade-off becomes clear. Number 2. Hellmann's Real Mayonnaise. Hellmann's is different because for many Americans, it does not feel like a product they actively chose. It feels familiar. The blue and yellow label has been sitting in family refrigerators for generations. For decades, Hellmann's built its reputation on a simple idea: eggs, oil, vinegar, and salt. That reputation still carries enormous weight today. But the current ingredient list tells a more complicated story. Soybean oil comes first, followed by water, eggs and egg yolks, vinegar, salt, sugar, natural flavors, and calcium disodium EDTA. None of those ingredients automatically make the product unsafe. But together, they show how the formula has been adapted for large-scale production and distribution. Water helps extend the product. Sugar softens the flavor. EDTA helps protect against changes that can develop as the mayonnaise moves through warehouses, trucks, and store shelves. The goal is consistency. A jar bought in Florida should taste much like one bought in Oregon. That consistency is an impressive manufacturing achievement, but it also means the formula is designed to remain stable over time and distance. The bigger issue is trust. Many people see the Hellmann's label and assume they are buying the same simple mayonnaise their parents or grandparents knew. But a famous name can preserve a feeling even when the formula changes. Hellmann's is not being sold because it is unknown.
It is sold because generations of consumers already recognize it. And that is worth remembering when you reach for the familiar jar. A trusted label can make you stop asking questions. The ingredient list is where those questions should begin.
Number 1 on the avoid list is Kraft mayonnaise with olive oil. This product stands out because the front of the jar appears to offer a smarter choice. The words "made with olive oil" can suggest a healthier, higher quality mayonnaise. The green and gold design adds to that impression. But turn the jar around and the story changes. One of the first things to notice is the product name, mayonnaise dressing. That distinction matters. It is not simply presented as traditional mayonnaise. The formula contains water as a leading ingredient, followed by other oils, while olive oil appears further down the list. In other words, olive oil is present, but it is not necessarily the main foundation of the product. The formula also uses modified cornstarch to help create thickness and texture. In a traditional mayonnaise, much of the texture comes from the emulsion of oil and egg. When more water and less fat are used, other ingredients may be needed to maintain the familiar consistency people expect. The result is a product designed to look and feel similar to mayonnaise while using a different formulation. That is what makes this jar the most questionable choice on the list. The front label highlights the ingredient many shoppers are looking for, while the full ingredient list gives a more complete picture of what they are actually buying. This does not mean the product is unsafe to eat. The concern here is the gap between perception and formulation. A shopper may pay extra believing olive oil is the central feature when the ingredient list suggests a more complicated recipe. And that's the bigger lesson. Never let the front of the jar make the entire decision for you. The most important information is often on the back.
Best option number 3, Duke's Original Mayonnaise. Now that we've covered the 4 products on the avoid list, let's turn to the 3 that stand out for a simpler approach. Best option number 3 is Duke's Original Mayonnaise. Duke's has been a familiar name in many American kitchens, especially in the South. But what makes the original version interesting is not fancy packaging or a health-focused image. It is the formula's simplicity. The original Duke's uses a relatively short ingredient list built around the basic elements expected in mayonnaise. There are no added starches or gums used to create thickness. There's also no added sugar in the original formula. The product relies on its core ingredients to create the texture and flavor people expect. The difference becomes easier to understand when you compare it with Duke's Light. Reducing the fat changes how mayonnaise behaves. To recreate the texture of the original, the lighter version needs additional ingredients, including modified starches, gums, preservatives, and stabilizers. That comparison tells an important story. When the original formula is changed to remove fat, extra ingredients may be needed to rebuild what the original ingredients were already doing naturally. The 2 products may share the Duke's name, but they are not the same formula. That does not mean every added ingredient is harmful. The point is much simpler. If you want the more traditional version, make sure you are buying the original. Duke's Original earns its place on this list because it keeps the formula relatively straightforward while remaining widely available and affordable. It is proof that a mainstream mayonnaise does not necessarily need a long list of extra ingredients. Best option number 2 is Primal Kitchen Mayonnaise. What separates this brand from most of the products we've covered is its approach to the ingredient list. Instead of building the formula around soybean or sunflower oil, Primal Kitchen uses avocado oil as its main fat source. The ingredient list is also relatively simple: avocado oil, eggs, vinegar, mustard, salt, and rosemary extract. There are no modified starches or added sugar in the formula described here. The mayonnaise also avoids EDTA and other ingredients commonly used to help products maintain stability over long periods. That simplicity comes with trade-offs.
Avocado oil costs more than many conventional oils, which helps explain why this mayonnaise is usually more expensive than mainstream brands. A simpler formula may also have different storage and shelf life characteristics. The product is not trying to compete purely on being the cheapest jar on the shelf, and that is exactly why it stands out. Primal Kitchen makes a clear choice about what the product should be. Instead of focusing primarily on low cost and maximum distribution efficiency, the formula emphasizes a short ingredient list and a different oil base. That does not automatically make it perfect or universally better for every shopper. If price is your main concern, there are less expensive options, and some people may simply prefer the taste and texture of traditional mayonnaise. But for shoppers who want an avocado oil-based mayonnaise without added starches, gums, sugar, or EDTA, Primal Kitchen is one of the stronger choices. It proves that a cleaner, simpler formula can exist, but simplicity usually comes with a higher price tag. And the top recommendation on this list is Chosen Foods Avocado Oil Mayonnaise. What makes this product stand out is not just the ingredient list, it is the fact that a relatively simple formula has become widely available in major American stores. A few years ago, mayonnaise made with avocado oil was mostly found in specialty health food shops and often came with a premium price that kept many shoppers away. Chosen Foods helped bring that type of product into the mainstream. Its formula is built around avocado oil, eggs, vinegar, mustard, honey, salt, and natural antioxidants, such as rosemary extract. There are no modified starches or gums used to create thickness, and avocado oil is the main oil rather than a small ingredient highlighted on the front of the jar. That matters because the label and the formula are telling a similar story. The product does cost more than many conventional mayonnaise brands. That is the trade-off. But unlike some premium products, it is increasingly available at major retailers, making it easier for ordinary shoppers to find. The formula is also designed around a shorter list of ingredients rather than relying heavily on additives used for texture or long-term stability. Of course, no single mayonnaise is the perfect choice for everyone. Price, taste, allergies, and personal nutrition needs still matter. But if the goal is to find a widely available mayonnaise with avocado oil as its main ingredient and a relatively simple formula, Chosen Foods is the strongest option on this list. It shows that shoppers no longer have to choose only between cheap mainstream mayonnaise and expensive specialty products. And that brings us to the most important question. What should you actually look for when you're standing in the mayonnaise aisle? After looking at all 7 brands, one pattern becomes clear. The front of the jar does not tell the whole story. Premium packaging, familiar names, olive oil claims, and words like light can all influence how a product looks before you ever read the ingredients. The better approach is simple. Turn the jar around. Start with the first ingredient, look at which oil forms the main base of the mayonnaise. Then check how many extra ingredients are used to create thickness, improve stability, preserve flavor, or extend shelf life. A longer ingredient list does not automatically make a product unsafe, just as a shorter list does not automatically make one healthier. But the list can tell you how the product was formulated and what trade-offs were made. The 4 products on the avoid list are not necessarily illegal or unsafe to eat. They are products where the formula, marketing, or overall value raises more questions. The 3 recommended options stand out because their ingredient lists are more straightforward and better match what the product presents on the front. The next time you're standing in the mayonnaise aisle, don't choose based only on the brand your family has always bought. Don't assume a premium jar means a premium formula. And don't let one highlighted ingredient make the decision for you. Take a few seconds to read the back label, because once you know what to look for, the jar may tell a very different story. If this investigation changed how you look at mayonnaise, share it with someone who still buys their usual brand without checking the label.